That's going to come out here in just a second. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to take a whole series of 10mm bolts out. So this front lip comes first, this kind of C-shaped plastic. Go ahead and take all of those out and then walk your way down the perimeter and the rest the outside of this frame. There's about 20 or 25 of these 10mm screws. They're all going to come out, and then this piece will drop off, this piece will drop off, and you'll be good to go. All right, y'all, so looking here underneath, you've got your three pieces. So we took that long C-shaped piece off first, then you've got the center piece, and you've got these wings on the side. You take all of the 10mm out, including 1, 2, 3 here that are actually in the wheel wells themselves. You don't have to take your wheels off, you just reach up and can pull those 10mm. But now, all three of those sections are off, including that C section, and you're set and good to go. So now you can start to set the turner plate back up in here. So let me go grab the plate, let me get it set, and you can see what it looks like. All right, guys, so I've put one wing here temporarily in place. I just want to show you what it looks like. I haven't done the other side yet, but it's going to be the exact same process. So the skid plate comes with a series of Allen bolts. New Allen bolts are 4mm for the small ones, and the two bigger ones that will go here and matching on the other side when the full center plate goes in are 5mm. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 for the new bolts, and you can tell where they go and where you're not reusing the existing because they'll have this screw backing here on them, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, put those in, and then you're going to reuse the 10mm that you took out. Now, we're not going to put these back in yet, though you can put in this corner one because these will go in once the centerpiece is on. Now, once you've done both sides and it's all set and in place, and you slide it in here, put those in, and can put the back ones in. And don't forget the 10mm right back here in the corner that helps hold the plastic down because rattles suck.